Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix WordPress contact form not sending email to Google Workspace email. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we created professional email on Google Workspace and we added our Google Workspace MX record in our domain DNS. We also added FPF record, but when we fill this email form and then click on submit, then email not sent on Google Workspace email. Now we are going to fill this form. So we added some information and then click on submit form, and then you see submission. Thank you for your message. Now go to Google Workspace to check. Now you see we don't receive any email on Google Workspace. Now back to form. So we are going to fix it. Now go to edit form. So we are using this form, and then in mail you see we added our professional email. So now we are going to fix it. Now paste. So this is our new format for email. So this is our professional email. We created Google Workspace for this email, and then we added .test-google-a.com. You will find this format in video description or in comment section. So you can add your email address here, professional email address, and then add this and then click on save. Now you see contact form saved. Go to form page and refresh the page. So now we are going to fill this form again. So we added some information and then click on submit. Now you see form submission done. Go to Google Workspace again and then click on inbox. Now you see we receive new email from our website on Google Workspace. Now you see data, phone number, email address, and then you see Google Workspace. Back to form. So just add this format. So we added .test-google-a.com after the email address. So this is our domain email. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.